The very good thing about being a researcher is to have the opportunity to be exploring new things and trying to push our understanding of the world around us further. I find it fascinating. For research, you tend to be excited what you do, but I have to say that this office, it means constant disturbance to my own thinking, and therefore anywhere except here is very good. Actually, since my own PhD project, I've been particularly interested in the influence of the physical structure of the environment on the biology of species of plants and animals. So meaning whether the animals or plants are living in a more continuous environment, more continuous habitat, or more fragmented, physically fragmented habitat. The most important field site for us is the Åland Islands in southwestern Finland, where we have conducted research on a particular species of butterfly since 1991. A very long-term and also large-scale research project. It's another important field site for us, which is the big island of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean, where we have done research on the evolutionary radiation, the evolutionary biology of a group of beetles for more than 10 years. One of the challenges in doing research over very large areas like we do when we want to understand the consequences of the structure of the environment is simply the large spatial scale, because it is difficult to collect high quality data on populations over large areas, including hundreds or even thousands of population. We just have to do large-scale fieldwork, but we are also employing mathematical models with which we can make predictions of the behavior of populations for different types of environments and over longer periods of time. Even at the scale of the Åland Islands and over a period of 20 years, we have detected micro-evolutionary changes in the butterfly populations. In the past, people thought that evolution occurs so slowly that it doesn't really make a difference to population dynamics, but it has now turned out that this is a wrong assumption. There is one particular event that occurred when I was 11 years old. I collected butterflies, and I happened to collect a species of butterfly which had gone extinct from entire Finland in the 1940s. And the extinction of the butterfly from Finland had been studied by Professor Esko Suomalainen, who was a professor of genetics in our university in Helsinki. He was kind enough to send to me his scientific publication, which was in German language, which I couldn't read. But you can imagine that I was really impressed by the attention that I was receiving after having collected that butterfly at the age of 11 years, and surely that had a long-lasting influence of my career.